Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Johnson, and I'm here today to talk to you about the difference between healing and curing. There are two different concepts that I think we need to clarify if we want to understand what the Spiritual Strengths Healing Program is all about. And to understand the difference between healing and curing, one must understand the difference between sickness and illness. You know, we use these two words interchangeably as though they're the same word, and they are not. They're very, very different words. Sickness refers to the medical diagnosis. You have cancer, you have heart disease, you have lupus, you have diverticulitis, you have a broken leg. All of these are medical diagnoses, and that's what we call the sickness. Now, well then, what is illness? Illness is your personal, emotional, psychological, and or spiritual reaction to your sickness. It's all those things that you feel, like guilt and shame and depression and anger and frustration and a whole panorama of emotional, psychological, and spiritual upsetment that comes to us as a consequence of our sickness. Now I have a question for you. Which of these, sickness or illness, brings more pain to the human condition? I would say, and most people seem to agree with me, that it is illness that brings more pain to the human condition. The medical community can deal most of the time with physical pain. It's unfortunate that physical manifestations and physical sickness exists, but it's the illness that we really can focus on. So what we try to do with sickness is to cure sickness. The medical community has as its goal to cure sickness. Well, what do you do with illness? Well, you heal it. And how do you heal it? That's what the Spiritual Strengths Inner Healing Program is all about. That's what the Spiritual Strengths Finder is all about. That's what all of my research was all about. What allows healing to occur? I believe that each of us is different in personality. I believe that all of the people in the whole world, each one has a different personality. I believe that God has invested each of us with a different packet, so to speak, of divinity, that is spiritual power. We pray to a God of power and might. Power and might. What is that power of might? You know, when Jesus healed people, it's right there in the New Testament. He never said, "Go your way, I just healed you." He said, "Go your way, your faith has healed you." Something inside of you. How do you tap into that? That's what this whole thing is about. The Spiritual Strengths Finder is right here on your website. You can take it. The Spiritual Strengths Finder identifies your 6 spiritual strengths, which is tied to an entire new way of looking at the personality. But not only do you find your spiritual strengths, but you also find these things which we call shadows and compulsions, which block your healing. Once you take your own Spiritual Strengths Finder, you are then ready to start on the whole program. Now you can start the program on your own, and you can do it on your own. You can do it with the help of a coach. You can come to a spiritual healing retreat that I offer periodically, or you can work with a coach to help you along. However you do it, I'm asking you to be able to move forward and do this. Thousands of people have already taken the Spiritual Strengths Finder. They've already done this program, and they found healing that's there. And everything from losing weight to MS, from depression to cancer, from marriage counseling to diabetes. It has application because it is the presence of the healing power of love through virtue that is in you. When you read my book, Discover Your Spiritual Strengths, I think you'll come to a better understanding of all of this. I hope this has been helpful for you. Continue reading on this website. We'd love to see you, too, at our retreats, at our different retreats, our healing retreats, or even to get your certification to become a Spiritual Strengths Healing Coach. Thank you, and God be with you.